Alright friends, now we have arrived at the replace method. As the name suggests, replace means to substitute one thing with another. So this is a string method that we frequently use. For example, I want to change a character in a string. I can use the replace method. So how do we use this method with a variable like message here? So I say system.out.println, and then after the message I put my dot notation. I will use replace method. So as you see, it takes two parameters. So I first specify the character I want to replace. So let's say I want to replace uppercase P with uppercase G. So first I pass the character to be replaced. I come here, I say P, and then I will give my new character. For example, I will say G. It means I want to replace uppercase P with uppercase G. First, just be careful with this. I pass the character to be replaced, followed by comma, and then the new character G. So the replace method returns a new string with the replacement done, and I can print on the screen. So I come here, I run my code. As you see, P becomes G here. I allow Jython programming, something like that. It becomes. Whenever my program meet P, it replaces it with G. I hope you understand it. So in programming, we use so many times replace method. So it's so important topic. See you in the next lesson.